Hi, my name's Alex. I'm our Senior Programs Director for North America. Yeah, so our junior summer programs run for about a 6 to an 8 week period across a number of locations. In Canada, we run in Vancouver at UBC, Toronto at Toronto Metropolitan University, and then in the States, we run a New York-based program, as well as in California and LA and the San Francisco program. So all our programs are all inclusive, meaning that when the students get here, they're going to get everything presented to them on a plate. Everything from their accommodation, their meals, transport, and those social program activities and excursions that you mentioned. We're off campus as much as possible when the students are here, so they can experience the best of the city that they're in, whether that be the Empire State Building, to the CN Tower, to the Golden Gate Bridge. We take the students to all the highlights of their local city. As far as they can while they're with us, we have one of our true strengths for our junior programs is our in-house designed junior syllabus. We not only developed this about 10 to 15 years ago, but we revise it based on the feedback we get from our teachers and our students every few years to ensure that the syllabus and the materials that we're using for our young learner programs remains both engaging and interesting to the students. I mean, it's essential, and again, another strength is that we pay great attention to the students' development through a range of systems that we have in place, whether it be our tutorials that we have regularly with the students, giving them feedback on the areas that they've improved in and areas for further improvement, but also them giving us feedback on how we can improve too. Not only that, but the system we have with the juniors ensures that the students leave with a clear idea, because they're with us for just a short period, typically 2 to 4 weeks. So they leave with a clear idea of what next steps to take in their academic journey. Well, I think when you're talking about speaking to parents and loved ones, one of the first things we like to reassure them is the safeguarding and pastoral care that we provide for their students. And this is a key priority for us. We not only ensure that all staff are background checked and trained in safeguarding, we require them to take a specific course which presents them with a certificate in safeguarding before they start their employment with us, and then before the students arrive, we provide further safeguarding training and have clear safeguarding systems in place throughout the program to ensure that not only are the students having a great time with us, but they're doing so in a safe, controlled environment. The staff are really at the heart of the experience, and because it's a residence-based program, they're with the students 24/7, from the minute they wake up to the moment they're going to bed in the evening. Our staff, are there to support our students, who often for the first time are away from home. And if they're in North America, probably far from home. So it's absolutely essential that our staff, which they do, provide a comforting, safe environment for the students to thrive in and have fun in. We have a great nationality mix within our junior programs. 12 to 15 nationalities typically at our bigger programs in peak weeks, meaning that the students have a fantastically eclectic international experience, making friends from all corners of the world that often last a lifetime. I mean, I'd say the junior programs are as close to rock and roll as you can get when it comes to the ESL world. I can't help but jump into those programs as much as possible, visiting the campuses and seeing everything from the on-site activities to those excursions, throwing on an activity leader shirt and joining those excursions wherever possible is really what the summer's all about.